Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now at this point, we probably have all heard about the monthly makeup subscription boxes such as BoxyCharm. But did you know that there are monthly subscription boxes for men's and women's fragrances? Well, if you did not know that, this video is going to be for you. Today I'm going to go over everything that is a luxury scent box. So if that's something that interests you, keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm really excited to tell you all about Luxury Scent Box. Now Luxury Scent Box is essentially a fragrance subscription box that you get every month, and it is for men and women. They work with over 500 designer brands, and they actually offer one of the largest sizes available in a fragrance subscription service. Now the subscription service is month to month. They offer free shipping and you can cancel anytime. Now, the subscription service starts off at $15 a month and goes up to about $18 a month for the premium subscription service. And you can use code CODYJ for 35% off your first order. Now, this is just a discount code, not an affiliate code, so I don't get any money out of this. It's just something that you guys can use to save a little bit of money. Now, what's great about these fragrances is they come, like I said, in really nice size. It's perfect for traveling, but you can also, once you sign up for a membership with them, you can get larger sizes that are at a bigger discount than the manufacturer's recommended price. Now, another benefit to this subscription service is that you can set up your calendar on there to decide which fragrances you like, and you can kind of control ahead of time what fragrances you're going to get. Now, when you take it out of the package, it looks like this. It has a really nice, sophisticated component. It says Luxury Scent Box on it. It's got a really cool, logo. And then what it does is it twists and pops up at the top, and your fragrance is already loaded inside this, and you can just spray it. Oh, that's manly. I haven't smelled any of these yet. This one is really nice. This smells very refreshing and very musky, but like in a good way. Now what's cool is you twist it and you can take the top of this whole thing out, and it's in a little glass vial, and it has your fragrance name. This is, I'm not going to say any of these names right, but this is Amoureux Whetstone Parfum. So it's really cool because anytime you get these, you can just pop them in here. You can switch them out if you want, so it's really cool, and I think it's a really cool concept, honestly. So there's that one. That one smells really good. All right, opening up the next one, it comes in this beautiful purple component, which y'all know I'm a hoe for purple. And again, same concept. You just twist the top up and you can just give it a spray. Ooh. Now this one definitely smells a lot more feminine than the last one. The first one's very manly. This is not something personally I would wear in the future. This is called Mancera Au Bleu Notes Eau de Parfum. So please make fun of me on how I pronounce all these. I have no clue. This one, yeah, it smells, I gotta do it one time. It smells really nice, but it's definitely, to me, this is like more of a feminine fragrance, which I like to wear. Things like Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio, I like Abercrombie and Fierce Fitch, stuff like that, Gucci, Aeropostale. So I like that musky but clean, manly smell. The first one, perfect. I really love that. I'm literally gonna put this in my car so I always have it, or I'll take it to work. Second one, not personally for me, so I'm actually probably gonna give that one away. So now the third one, let's open this up. Now I do wanna say that when you go on here and you can take these tests to decide which fragrances are best for you, I did not do that. I gave a list of what I currently use, and a specialist kind of picked these three for me, so it is what it is. Now the third one comes in a blue component, which I freaking love this one so much, and it matches my backdrop. Okay, same thing, let's give this bad boy a spray. We're wafting. Now this is a much lighter fragrance. The first one, like I said, was very manly, musky, like I really like that. Very like you're going to the, the office and you want to smell like, an accountant. Like that's that one. The second one is a lot more fruity and like feminine, which isn't really me. I may be fruity and feminine, but I don't want to smell like it. And then this third one is definitely a much lighter fragrance. So this is definitely something that if you just want to have that little extra oomph of smelling good, but you don't want to like, burn people's nasal passages, like that's what this one's for. Now this one is called Versace Pour Homme. So I think my sister likes this, so I'm actually probably gonna save this for her. But again, they pop right out, like if you want to interchange them or whatever. Like me, I'm that person where I'll get like the first scent because I love this one the most, and I'll probably put it in the blue packaging because it matters to me, kind of. And then again, you just pop it right down and you're good to go. They are perfect for travel sizes. They are 30 milliliters, which is a great standard. Now, they are great for traveling. They are 30 milliliters, which I think is a great amount of fragrance. Like I said, if you get the $15 package and you're getting these, like this is gonna last you quite a bit, especially if you have multiple of them. So if you're someone who wants to buy and use and try out different fragrances, but like on a budget, like you want to smell good on a budget, I think Luxury Scent Box is literally the perfect subscription service for you. And again, you can use code CodyJ to save 35% off your first order. You get free shipping. There's not really any commitment. You can cancel any time. It's month to month. There are over 500 designer brands to choose from, and I really think that this is something that you will like. Now, I personally will be enrolling in the subscription service because I'm really cheap when it comes to things like fragrances and colognes, so I usually will like use my man's all the time, and until he gets mad at me and yells at me for using it all, and then I say I didn't use it, but I really did. But that's besides the point. So this is great for me because I can try different fragrances for like nothing. Like this is ballin' on a budget, if you ask me. So if you want to check out Luxury Scent Box, please do. If you decide to purchase from them and sign up for their subscription service, please tag me and let me know. I would like to hear what your guys' thoughts are on it. And again, one last time, you can use code CodyJ for 35% off your first purchase. And no, I do not make any money off that code. It is simply a discount code for you. Now, I also want to mention that if you're someone who would rather just pay for like a year subscription of this, you can do that. In addition to the monthly memberships, they have annual ones, so you can just kind of pay it all up front and you don't have to worry about it. Me personally, I like the monthly subscription kind of aspect of it, so that's what I plan on doing. Now, depending on the day that you sign up for your subscription, they will send your fragrances each month, 5 to 7 days from that day that you signed up each month. So just kind of give you an idea of when to expect them. So I think overall, my final thoughts on Luxury Scent Box is that, is this subscription Cody J approved? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna say it's Cody J approved. I think for me, $15 a month is completely feasible. I think that's something you can work into any budget. And I think I like that there are different colored components because it's just a little fun, little thing. I really like that you can take the glass out of it just if you feel like it, or you can, you can interchange them, so that's kind of fun too. I think it's great that they have so many options to choose from for both men and women. I think, like I said, the pricing is great. I think 5 to 7 days, after your sign up date, I think every month, is a really great time frame. I don't think that's gonna be a problem. I think at some point you're probably going to have too many fragrances if you keep this going, if you don't use all 3 within the month. So I think that's great too. I think this is also something you could do to, buy ahead of time for some men or women in your life if you want to surprise them with a nice little gift. So overall, yes, Luxury Scent Box is Cody J approved. So with that being said, let's jump into today's MUA Shoutout. Check this. Today's MUA shoutout goes to LinnocenceMUA. I will link all of her information in the description box below, so you'll definitely want to go check her out and tell her Cody J sent ya. If you'd like to be my next video's MUA shoutout, all you have to do is of course be subscribed to my YouTube channel and retweet this video link when I post it onto Twitter. If you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below, click the big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, turn on my YouTube post notifications so you never miss one of my uploads, and I will see you guys in the next one.